Time flies when cleaning up our beautiful Central Coast. We've completed year 1 of our 10-year partnership with Central Coast Council, and this is what Cleanaway and Central Coast Council have done. In 1 year, our 72 collection vehicles and team of drivers have travelled 3 million kilometres to empty bins across the Central Coast. That's the equivalent of driving to the moon and back 3 times. Our committed team of in-house mechanics work together to ensure these state-of-the-art collection vehicles are safe and available to service the Central Coast community 7 days a week. We have collected over 31,000 tonnes of recycling from the yellow lid bins, saving over 225,000 cubic metres of landfill space. Our customer service team have taken more than 110,000 phone calls, with an average of all calls answered within 33 seconds. An average day consists of 56,000 bins emptied, 650 bulk kerbside collections removed, which can double in summer, and 90 new bins being delivered or being repaired. Exceptional results. In May, we successfully replaced over 57,000 old red lid bins in the southern area of the Central Coast with brand new 140 litre bins. This year, our education programs have reached a total of 3,600 residents, including delivering 121 school sessions to preschools, primary schools, high schools and TAFEs across the Central Coast. We have held 6 waste and recycling tours for the community, visiting local landfill and composting sites, educating the residents who attend about reducing waste and recycling right. We had over 370 truck enthusiasts attend our Summersby Depot Open Day during National Recycling Week. The average age of these truck enthusiasts was 3. They visited our depot to sit in our vehicles, meet our drivers, pose for photos with Mr. Yellow, and even got to make their own mini bins. Our resource recovery officers have inspected over 15,000 bins for contamination since the bin tagging program started in July, issuing over 12,000 green thank you tags to residents who did not contaminate their bins. We have dropped contamination from 1 in 4 bins to 1 in 10 bins during our 6-week phases. This is an incredible result, seeing more than 100% improvement in the Central Coast community to get educated and get it sorted. Since August, we have had over 2,000 residents enter our bin tagging competition, with 1 winner announced each month. Our resource recovery officers also removed over 900 unpaid bins from residential and commercial properties, saving council thousands of dollars in unpaid disposal fees and landfill space. Now for some even more good news. We have recently relaunched the improved mobile response One Coast website, making it easy for residents to book services online, including bulk kerbside collections. We also have over 5,100 followers on our One Coast Facebook page, receiving regular waste and recycling updates from the One Coast team. Now you think that's awesome? Check what the residents have to say about your amazing work. Cleanaway employ 122 locals on the Central Coast to deliver this amazing service to the community. Thank you for your commitment. We can't wait to see what we achieve in the next 12 months.